G'day mate, welcome back to my Chainsaw Madness. Now today I'm going to play around with some saws. Now this is a Port 236 x-torq. I haven't put that in all wood yet, so I'm looking forward to that. Brand new chain, put it on this morning from Longer. So I'd like to say thank you to Michael Longer. I bought rolls of chain of him. This one here's a Longer brand new chain too, so I'll be using that. Now this one here is a clone of a Husqvarna 455. I've mucked around a little today on a post where I've done the video of this one cutting. It's colours all hell, brand new. Never cut down any cuts anywhere. So I have to tune. Now my end goal will be to get this one to run ported and get as much power of this as I can as this one here or a tune. I don't think it will. I have used this thing and it goes good for 50cc's. As I know, it's a 49cc's, I think. But the goal is to get this one going as good as standard one of this. So we'll see. I'm not quite sure if we will. But I guarantee I can make it get more power. She's pretty good. Bit retarded the way enough it is. There's a spark arrestor up in there, sort of thing. But yeah, it's a small hole, but there's no screw, I don't think. It's weird. I don't know if you guys can see that there. I only pull that out. It's not revving the way it should rev. I think it's half the problem. I might even have a catalytic converter inside, I'm not sure. But anyway, today we're going to do some cutting. I'm not going to use this saw. I've used it before in the past. That's my mate's saw. But I'm going to run these two girls, that one and this one, and see which one goes good. I know this one will beat, for sure will beat the clone over here, for sure. But we'll go have a cut and have some fun. Come have some fun. One thing I do have to point out, these saws, the clone here is running a 20-inch bar, 0.325 chain, and this one here is running a 15-inch bar, running a fresh low profile 50 gauge chain. So they're different to each other, chalk and cheese really. But we'll see if she runs. I would have liked to have got a longer bar for this, but I don't have one for this size, this gauge and all that crap. That I'll muck around the wood and just see how they go. That one there set up really nice this morning, really good. That one there set up good too, but this one just has balls in your head, it just goes good. Let's go have some fun. So this here today is more on a cut. This one here, I was here the other day. I was hung up just here, but you look at this log, it's off the ground all the way along. But it don't fall down and hit me and squash me. So I get a bit of stick around log here and jam it down here. That's the head of the tree. That end there's the head. That end's the root, so it's heavier down this end. If I find something I shove through here, once this log falls, it'll hit that log and hit pinch on that. So I'll get you to come over here. Tripod. I'll cut a little bit of timber. Yeah, this green stuff we saw the other week. Put that one there, I'd say. I've got it there. Cut that and I'll jam that in there and hopefully get tight so once it moves, it'll get jammed on this so you can be safe. I'll get the tool. Let's start this thing up. And cut it just there. Should be right. Email. Forward. Let that warm up. Over there, it's still running in. I've tuned this, still fat in the low, I think. But you'll see me play with the tuned screwdriver. But I'm looking forward to seeing this one rock and roll. It's gonna be good. Okay, see if we can get this to fit in there. Make my sawing a bit more safer. Hold that up there. It'll be close, I think it'll fit. Down here. Slide back maybe. The way it falls, hit this, won't roll. And that there's stuck on stuff up here. That's sitting on that, so it can't roll. The other end's on the ground. So once I start cutting this log here, end up sticking up at the wall. See? Yeah. No, there's sitting on the log down there too, so that should make it a lot safer. So all I have to do now is do an undercut here, release the tension off that, and we should be ready to saw. I'll move this back, get my camera away from the action, because I've been hit before, and to cut that bit there off. I get a small saw, the 2, 3, 6. Okay, seriously cut. Excellent, Reg, excellent. There you go. A small saw, but it cuts well. It's falling backwards. You find something to ram that way now? Yeah. Always something. I got another block of wood. Not so big, I think. Might be able to throw one of these up there. So that one needs fat. Make it stay still though. Oh, I get the right running, the 382 running. It will definitely have to be tuned up. But that chain's so sharp, it's dying down. It kills the performance of the saw because it's so sharp. It'll dull a little bit. That should be right, though. Right. Get you in position. You can see that, yeah. Right, cold start. Started about an hour and a half ago. Oh, it's a long look good. Let that warm up. Just go a quick tune. Cut. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 1 I think a muffler, that plate there, is interfering big time. Look at the noise out, the sound of the party. There's more fuel. Magic. There you go. Sounds good, performs so it's alright, not too bad, but it's a small motor, it's a bigger motor, so I don't know, be a big guy going in. First cuts that one, first cuts off, not all really. Might tune up a bit more yet. I keep the fat because it's new motor, nearly get hot. Yep, too wide for the bar. Down the road you guys, so you can see. Right. Make sure that move. Yeah, you're right. Might lose her out a bit more. to say I like that very much. It's good now. It's still running a tiny bit fat, but it revs. So what I'm going to do is I'll bring it over here. I'll try and pull off that muffler thing. It's retarding it. Make it breathe a bit more of the heat out. If I can undo it here, I'm not sure I can. I'll move this over here and this all here. I'm going to flutter here. Easy for me to stand. You don't understand me because I've had a stroke. I'm Australian, I have accents, guys. We all have accents. But I had a stroke 4 years ago. A stroke. Oh, these clips are nice, they're plastic. They got metal inside them, but it's nice. Now I'll pull that cover there off, make sure I don't lose stuff. I've got the aftermarket air filter, but can I get that thing there off? Don't know if I can. I'm not even sure if that is that spark arrestor. I don't think it is. There's a plug there though. No, there's no fly screw in these a blocked up hole, so if I put this here off, I'll see if it's screwed up or not. I'll have to find out screwed up. Little Phillips that screw. There you go, you see a bit better now. So if I get the screw out and pull that thing out, make it a lot better. In my opinion. I don't get this. Oh, got it. Happy days. I did not think I was going to get that. But then again, these things all have super tight screws or super loose screws. So. But I'm happy, the build quality on this one is quite nice. This is a saw that I paid for, but farmertec said I didn't pay for it. And all of a sudden it turned up, and when I finally got this, farmertec just said, oh yeah, sorry. And wouldn't really, normally give you credit on their shop so you can buy the stuff. But no real sorry. Well, make sure it doesn't happen again. So we saw that. I know, it's weird. I'm not sure if I like it or not, but so far it goes pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that so far. Got the screen out. There you go. Ah, so we've got retarded there. Look at that, it's hot. I see you guys. There you go. That banned myself. So that's what's inside that. So some sort of just retarding plate. So this saw should really ring now because it's I pulled that out, the big hole there now. It still has the deflector over to the top. I believe it's screw out. But she should go good because the air can get out. That's cool now. There's a big hole there. Yeah, there's no catalytic converter in that, I feel. It's high, I think. Hopefully there's other crap than that. And we'll try again. And I'll have to find another log, but I'm happy with that. It's good. Look, I got otherwise just clip it on, easy. You engage your chain brake into the room. Wheel it around. Clip, that's it. Some sort of pain in the ass. What does it sound like now? I'll bring it back. Oh, vines, I hate vines. Vines are worse than a trip over. So we'll see what she sounds like right now. It must be a lot more noisier, for sure. These on-off button, these ones are weird. You pull it back, go up, that's full choke, that's run. If you stop, it's stop and back to go again. So I'm like, that's fast oil. If I want it fast oil, that's off though. I just leave that, it should start straight up. That's noisy. Shows you if you open that muffler, it runs a lot easier, a lot cooler too. So I'll find something to cut. Can I do that one over there? Maybe. I'll have a look. It's sitting on. Oh, I might be able to do that. So I'll bring it back over here. One above it. I should be able to do that. So here's a green gum tree. Want to lose a lane here. Look at that lane. That one just there. So hopefully they'll be alright. I'll put your safety gear on, I'll get back in a sec. Okay, I'm pretty confident that this won't fall down across me, I hope. Or pinch a bar, but 2 saws here, so I always cut it out. So we'll try this. It might have more fuel yet, not sure. See if she performs. Sounds a lot better. Maybe 2 minutes to start last started. Less fuel. Saw going in, little Husqvarna. Right, I'm one, the little one. There's one more fuel, more sure there. Yeah, this side. There you go. I'll get the small saw. There's the best you'll get. cut through the back. Cut through the back one at the back there. Alright guys, as usual, thanks for watching. That was quite entertaining, I thought. I like that new saw. That one down there, 382, it goes good. Alright guys, over and out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.